Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay. So students, in previous video we have done the revision on some topics. Today we are going to do the revision on topic 49 and 51. So let's start topic 49, that is invention and inventors. Here we have to match the name of the inventions with their inventors. Okay. See here, the first one is aeroplane. The first one is aeroplane. Okay. Who make the aeroplane? Can you know who is the inventor of the aeroplane? Yes, Wright brothers. The who aeroplane is made by inventor of the aeroplane is Wright brother. Okay, Wright brother. See here, I will show you. Spelling is aeroplane is invented by Wright brothers. WRIGHT, Wright, BROTHER, brother. Wright brother is the inventor of aeroplane. Wright brother is the inventor of aeroplane. Now next come to the next one, that is second one, bicycle. Who invented the bicycle? Who is the inventor of the bicycle? Can you know? Yes, the inventor of the bicycle is Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Spelling is KIRKPATRICK. Kirkpatrick Macmillan. MACMILLIAN. Kirkpatrick Macmillan is the inventor of bicycle. Now come to the next, that is third one, tire. Who is the inventor of tire? Who invented the tire? Okay, who invented the tire? John Boyd Dunlop. John Boyd Dunlop. Spelling is JOHN, John, BOYD, Boyd, DUNLOP. Okay, John Boyd Dunlop has invented the tire. John Boyd Dunlop has invented the tire. Now come to the next, that is fourth one, dynamo. Dynamo is the invented by Michael Faraday. Dynamo is invented by Michael Faraday. Spelling is MICHAEL, Michael, FARADAY, Faraday. Michael Faraday is the inventor of dynamo. Michael Faraday was the inventor of dynamo. So come to the next, that is question number. So next, that is question number 5, that is fountain pen. Fountain pen was invented by Lewis Waterman. Fountain pen was invented by Lewis Waterman. Spelling is LEWIS, Lewis, WATERMAN, man. Lewis Waterman was the inventor of fountain pen. After that come to the next, that is question number 6, gramophone. Gramophone. So gramophone was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Gramophone was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Spelling is THOMAS. 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 Okay. Alva. 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 Edison. 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 I repeat again. 6. Gramophone was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. THOMAS. Thomas. ALVA. Alva. EDISON. Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was the inventor of gramophone. Gramophone. After they come to the next, that is 7, safety razor. Safety razor was invented by King C. Gillette. Safety razor was invented by King C. Gillette. Spelling is KING. King C. GILLE. So King C. Gillette was the inventor of safety razor. King C. Gillette was the inventor of safety razor. After that come to the next, that is 8.1, steam engine. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. So see here, steam engine, spelling of James Watt is JAMES. James WATE Watt. 8.1, spelling is JAMES. James WATT Watt. So James Watt was the inventor of steam engine. James Watt was the inventor of steam engine. Now come to the next, that is 9, telephone. That is what? Telephone. So telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Spelling is ALEXANDER. Alexander. GRAHAM Graham and BELL Bell. I repeat again. ALEXANDER. Alexander. GRAHAM Graham BELL Bell. So Alexander Graham Bell was the inventor of telephone. Now come to the next, that is 10th one, revolver. So revolver was invented by Samuel Colt. Revolver was invented by Samuel Colt. Spelling is SAMUEL. Samuel COLT. Colt. Okay. SAMUEL COLT. Samuel Colt was invented the revolver. Samuel Colt was invented the revolver. After that come to the next, that is question number 11. See here in question number 11, car. Question number 11 is car, and car was invented by Henry Ford. Car was invented by Henry Ford. Spelling is HENRYFORD. So Henry Ford was the inventor of car. Mr. Henry Ford was the inventor of car. Now come to the next question, that is question number 12. That is what? Question number 12. See here. Question number 12, that is radio. That is what? Radio. And radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. Spelling is Guglielmo. Guglielmo Marconi. Marconi. So Mr. Guglielmo Marconi was invented the radio. Okay, Guglielmo Marconi was invented the radio. Now come to the next, that is question number 13. Television. So television was invented by John Logie Baird. Spelling is John John Logie Baird. So Mr. John Logie Baird was invented the television. Mr. John Logie Baird was invented the television. After that, come to the next, that is 14. Radium. So radium was invented by Madame Curie. Spelling is Madame Curie. So Madame Curie was invented the radium. Now come to the next, that is last one, 15. Penicillin. So penicillin was invented by, see here, penicillin was invented by 15 one. Penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. Spelling is Alexander, Alexander, Fleming. I repeat again, Alexander, Alexander, and Fleming. Alexander Fleming was the inventor of penicillin. Who is the inventor of penicillin? Mr. Alexander Fleming. So by this we have done the topic 49. Now come to the next topic, that is topic 51. Great scientist. Here some informations are given below related to the person, those who have contributed the science and technology in the world. So we have to study about that person and we have to guess the name also. Okay, so let's start. First one is who was the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize? First one is what? Who was the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize? Okay, can you guess? Yes, C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize. Spelling is C.V. Raman, R-A-M-A-N. Okay, got it? C.V. Raman was the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize. After that, come to the next, that is second one. Who discovered Jupiter's 4 largest moon? Jupiter's 4 largest moon. किसने जो है जुपिटर के 4 largest moon का डिस्कवर किया था? So can you guess? Galileo Galilei. Spelling is Galileo. 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 Galilei. Galilei. Okay, was discovered Jupiter's 4 largest moon. After that, come to the next, that is third one. Who invented the internet? So answer is Robert E. Kahn and Winthrop. can and windsurf. Okay, so spelling is Robert, Robert E. I repeat again, Robert, Robert E. Khan, Kahn, Khan. Wind, Vint, wind. Surf, Cerf, surf. Was invented the internet. So by this, come to the next, that is question number 4. That is what? Question number 4. In this, who discovered the radioactive element of radium? Who discovered the radioactive radium of element? Can you guess who discovered the radioactive element radium? Yes, it is Marie Curie. Marie Curie has discovered the radioactive element radium. The spelling of Marie Curie is Marie, Marie, Curie. Marie Curie was discovered the radioactive element radium. Now come to the next. Who invented the mobile phone? So Martin Cooper. Martin Cooper has invented the mobile phone. Okay, spelling is Martin, Martin, Cooper. Cooper. Martin Cooper was invented the mobile phone. After that, come to the next, that is last one. Who created the laws of physics? Who created the laws of physics? Means physics के laws को किसने create किया था? Isaac Newton. Answer is Isaac Newton. Spelling is ISAAC. Isaac. I repeat again. ISAAC. Isaac Newton. NEWTON. Isaac Newton has created the laws of physics. So students, by this we have completed the revision on topic 49 and 51. So please go through on it and write these two topics in your fair copy. Okay, write these two topics in your fair copy. I will send the PDF notes also. With the help of that PDF notes, please complete your fair copy and please take care of yourself. Be concentrated with your studies. Don't waste your time in playing games and all. Learn by heart and do the preparation for the examination. Bye. Then we will meet in the next video with the next topics. Bye. See you. Thank you.